So let's have a look at what goes on behind the wall. Now, good quality valves are adjustable to allow for different depths of cavity. Now, to give you a better idea of how this product works, here is the same product without the handles and the plates removed too. Now, as you can see, the hot water supply connects here and the cold water supply connects on the other side. Now, this is the thermostatic valve. The great thing about this product is that if someone else in the house is using the water, the washing machine, the dishwasher, you name it, this won't affect the temperature of the shower. This is a really great feature about this product. So the middle cartridge controls the water flow, and the diverter here on the end allows you to choose which shower outlet the water comes out of when you're using it. When you're investing in a new shower unit, it's important to pay that little extra for the quality, as you'll notice a really big difference. For example, on this product, the components are removable. This is great for easy maintenance, in case you ever have. So this unit also has the handles and the plate made from chrome-plated brass. Really strong, long-lasting material, much better than plastic.